Alright mga bossing, Charlie Suarez panalo via first round TKO dito kay Manuel Avila ng Amerika. So grabe mga bossing, hindi kinaya nitong si Manuel Avila ang binitawang malalakas na patama sa kanya ni Charlie Suarez. Dahilan upang matapos ang salpukan sa loob ng first round. So ito ang kumpletong highlights mga boss. Courtesy of Jessen and Boxing at ProBox TV.
Matangka din ang kalaban ni Suarez.
So he's the more active of the two.
Overweight ito mga idol.
Although Suarez not fighting like he's got any ring rust, he's coming right forward.
I also see that maybe the long layoff, maybe that's why he's probably fighting at a different weight division because Avila looks a little
Ganda.
soft, exactly. So he could be
Ang ganda ng panimula.
6 pounder instead of 130 pounder.
He just looks small for the division in general. I mean, Suarez
looks big, looks ripped, he looks sharp.
Avila standing at 5'5".
Buburahin ng tato.
Yeah, Suarez cut, broad shoulders, wide back.
Maraming nagsasabi mga idol na sa labang ito ay hindi nga raw tatagal itong si Avila kay Suarez.
Due to a punch that he delivered that cut Navarrete, but it was a costly ruling by the referee. It gave Navarrete a thin victory, and it was later switched to a no contest with a rematch ordered. But we talked about the politicking in boxing, and Navarrete had chances to unify, and that obviously
So
happened.
nakataya rito ang WBO number 1 status ni Charlie Suarez. Ganda ng patama niya.
And here he's trying to let it be known. But Avila
Hilo na
standing
yan
in the middle of the ring. That was a beautiful
May
sharp
response,
shot
mabilis
over
din.
the top. Little stab, heart jab.
Dating bata ito ni Oscar De La Hoya ng Golden Boy Promotions.
Look, Navarrete is a great fighter.
Simula ng masilat,
Already on
binitawan ni De La Hoya.
some people, he already made the top 10 pound for pound. But
Lutong body shot.
Yes, absolutely.
Suarez should be champion, and I don't think Navarrete has any intentions of defending against.
Ito na ang sinasabi, knockdown, first round. Sabi nga rito, 3 to 5 rounds lamang ang itatagal ng kalaban eh. Huwag kang sumuko, sayang ang tato.
Those legs are unsteady.
Ayan mga bossing, sumuko si Manuel Avila sa loob ng first round. Dahil dyan nasungkit ng ating kababayan ang WBO International Super Featherweight title. Congratulations Charlie Suarez.